I'm sure you've heard the news. Dallas is the place to be. Let's explore the top 5 must-see spots in this vibrant city. First up, the Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden. It's 66 acres of pure floral bliss, perfect for nature lovers, perfect for a stroll and some Insta-worthy shots. Next up, sports fans, is ATT Stadium. Just a 15-minute drive west of Dallas and home of the Dallas Cowboys. See a game or event at this architectural wonder that spans over 140 acres and can hold 100,000 in attendance. Cowboys, fan or not, this is a really cool place to see. Number 3, the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. It's got everything from interactive exhibits to dinosaur bones. Fun for all ages, making it a great family outing. 4th, the 6th floor museum at Dealey Plaza. Dive into the history of JFK's legacy. It's educational and deeply moving. Finally, Reunion Tower. Head up to the observation deck for panoramic views of the Dallas skyline. Pro tip, go at sunset for the best pics. There you have it, 5 spots that make Dallas unforgettable. Happy exploring and enjoy your time in this amazing city. Dallas awaits you.